Talking about the silhouette of the L1 is basically what do you do when you must connect so many elements and at the same time you want to keep a very basic shaped teardrop fuselage and you want to connect so many elements inside, but you want to think, I need to simplify this story, I need to get something one right. So what we did is basically we simplified everything to a teardrop fuselage. Then we thought, okay, we need the basic package. We did optimization with CFD, mechanical integration design, and then we came up with this teardrop shaped design. And you could see that you had to take the vertical stabilizer and basically you must take it far away in order to gain the stabilization. So we came up with this unique diamond shape from the rear in order to extend the ability of the wings and create this unique looking aircraft. And during the design, one of the eureka moments was that this entire aircraft and fuselage shares the same radius that goes from the nose to the tail, which simplified the movement, and with the creation of the reflection, it reduces the noise, and I think it looks like a jewel.